Hello everyone and my dear VR travelers, I welcome everyone to Egypt. In this video, I will take you to the first wonder of the world, the Pyramids of Giza. I will tell about the pyramids and its speciality while you guys listen to it and enjoy the view. The Great Pyramids of Giza are nothing but the tombs of Egypt pharaohs which is built 4500 years ago for the ancient Egyptian kings. Egypt pharaohs were believed to become gods in their afterlife. To prepare them for the next world, this pyramid was built, and it's filled with all necessary items like gold, food, clothes, so that they can make use of it in their afterlife. Pharaoh Khufu began the first pyramids project of Giza. His pyramid is the largest in Giza's pyramids, which is 147 meters high from the ground. Its estimated 2.3 million stone blocks each weighed an average of 2.5 to 15 tons.
ஆ எல்லாமே நீங்கள் நான் நம்ம என்னென்ன பேசுகிறோமோ அதுவும் ஒரு சேர்ந்து அது நல்லா கிளியராக வேற வரும்.
Khufu's son built the second largest pyramid in Giza. His necropolis also included the Sphinx, which we'll see in the end of the video. The third pyramid is smaller than the first two built by Pharaoh Menkaure, which has a complex temple along with it.
You like Shah Rukh Khan? Okay, let's take one shot. So we can go and take shot there also. So, anything special now? What is height? Yeah. Only taking pictures here, huh?
If this guy still down because he must pay ticket to go in to the
Oh, okay. Okay.
This is government.
This is government. Okay. Wow. Okay.
Now we will see the Sphinx. The Sphinx is built along with the Khufu's son, necropolis, which has a body of a lion and a pharaoh's head. That's all about the pyramids. I recommend you guys to visit the pyramids in camel ride. You will enjoy too much and extremely cheap as well. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give us a thumbs up and stay subscribed to my channel for more 360 videos. And don't forget to check the links in the description below for more 360 videos. And I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Okay, that's good. Let's go. Think.